Hey everyone, Austin here. Welcome back to Windows Fixer. Today we're fixing one of the most frustrating problems. Your screen brightness doesn't work on Windows 10 or 11. Maybe the slider is gone, your keyboard shortcuts do nothing, or you just can't adjust the brightness at all. Let's fix that step by step. Quick note for desktop users. If you're on a desktop PC, like I am, brightness is usually adjusted using buttons on your monitor, not through Windows. So it's normal for the brightness slider to be missing. But if you're on a laptop or brightness used to work and now it doesn't, this guide is going to help you get it back. Method 1. Update your display driver. Let's first make sure the correct graphics driver is installed. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the section called Display Adapters. In my case, it shows NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 6GB, which means my external GPU drivers are installed properly. But if yours shows something like Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, that means Windows is using a generic driver and brightness control won't work. Here's what to do. Right-click your display adapter, choose Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't help, go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. Windows may find the right driver there. Still no luck? Download the driver manually. If you're using AMD, Google AMD drivers. If you're using NVIDIA, Google NVIDIA drivers. Download and install the latest version for your specific GPU model. Now, if you don't have a dedicated graphics card at all, your system is probably using integrated graphics from the CPU or motherboard. In that case, find your motherboard model, go to the manufacturer's website, and download the latest chipset or VGA drivers. And if you're using a Ryzen CPU with built-in graphics like the Ryzen 5 5600G, you can install the latest graphics driver using the AMD Ryzen utility or from AMD's official support page. Once installed, restart your PC and see if brightness control is back. Method 2. Reinstall the driver. If updating didn't help, try a clean reinstall. Still in Device Manager, right-click your display adapter, choose Uninstall Device. Check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device. Uninstall, and then restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the correct driver automatically. This often solves hidden compatibility issues. Method 3. Fix the monitor driver. Let's make sure Windows is detecting your monitor correctly, because sometimes the wrong monitor driver causes brightness glitches. In Device Manager, scroll down and expand Monitors. You should see something like Generic PnP Monitor. Right-click it, then click Update Driver. Now you've got two options. First, try Search automatically for drivers. This lets Windows check if there's an updated version available. If that doesn't help or you see a specific monitor name listed, you can force Windows to reinstall the basic monitor driver manually. Here's how. Right-click the monitor again and choose Update Driver. This time, select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From the list, choose Generic PnP Monitor, then click Next. This will reinstall the default monitor driver, which can remove display glitches and often restores brightness control. Also, if your monitor was disabled, just right-click and choose Enable Device to reactivate it. Bonus method, run the Power Troubleshooter 2025 update. In newer versions of Windows 11, the Power Troubleshooter has been removed from settings, but you can still run it manually. Press Windows plus R, type msdt.exe/ed PowerDiagnostic. Press Enter. This opens the classic Power Troubleshooter. Click Next and let Windows scan and fix any power-related settings. This can help in cases where brightness is being limited by power plans or adaptive brightness. That's it. One of these methods should definitely bring back your brightness control, whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11, using a laptop, an iGPU, or a dedicated graphics card. If this worked for you, drop a comment below and tell me which fix solved it. And if you're still having trouble, just share your GPU or laptop model and I'll try to help you directly. And as always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more real-world Windows fixes. This is Austin from Windows Fixer. See you in the next one.